it's Rob. First day of class. On my way to Flatiron School. So, kind of excited, but don't really know what to expect today. We'll see. So, just wrapped up day one at Flatiron School. It's 6:50. Um, Started coding almost right away. We had the freshman, not freshman, but like the welcome orientation, and then we started coding in pairs on separate repositories, and then we merged it together. And while that was also going on, we also a break to do a lecture on hashes. So overall, pretty good start. Fairly reasonable amount of work for the first day, but we'll see where it goes. So yeah, now I'm just trying to find a train station, and I'll check back in tomorrow. Hey, it's Rob. Just wrapped up day two. Today we learned to pull data from APIs and parse the JSON, and then we created a simple Ruby app to, I guess, search through the data and return what the user well, return the values of what the user inputs. So that was pretty neat. It's day three. I learned how to work with work on classes and use instance variables. I don't remember anymore. Brain hurts.
Day three, brain hurts.
So day one and day two were fine, and today I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, so we learned how to use setters and getters, and then how to simplify it by using macros, which is super neat. Yeah, so now we know how to we know the basics of how to use objects. Did some more object-oriented programming today. It was tough. I had to stay an extra 2 hours today just to make sure I understood everything. Honestly, still don't have 100% down, so probably gonna code on my commute back home, and if I'm still functional, I'll code a little more before I go to bed, and tomorrow I'll be back at it. I think tomorrow is inheriting, so yeah, we'll see. I forgot to mention, we also learned to work with the self keyword and relationships between the objects. So that was super confusing in the beginning of the day, but by the end, I think I got a better hang of it. And after coding a little some more on the train ride, I'm pretty comfortable with it now. I think I'm gonna code some more tonight, but I think by tomorrow morning I should be up to speed with what happened so far, and I'll try to get a little bit ahead and understand. Well, not understand, but like kind of dip my toe in the waters for tomorrow's lesson. So yeah, got some more work to do. Yeah, see you in the next clip. So my thoughts so far are this. This is a lot of information for 5 days. Well, it's been 4 what I learned, so that's a lot of information, and it's like I think I know what I'm doing, or actually the opposite. I don't think I know what I'm doing, but I'm actually doing it. And then when I do like make my piece of code work, it's a great feeling. It's like after an hour trying to struggle through, figure it out, I finally have the final product. It's functional, and then I look at the code and I try to break it down for myself, and then that's when it's like what? And then it strikes me, it's like, do I actually know this stuff? Because then I know I wrote it. It's just it's a strange feeling, but yeah, we were told on day one that it's gonna feel like this. You're gonna feel like you're faking it, but you are actually learning. So I guess I'll have to embrace this feeling. Hey, it's Rob again, and I'm with Brian.
What's up?
He's one of my classmates, and we're going to talk about week one. How do you feel about week one? Tell me over.
Ups and downs, but we're alive. We made it.
Yeah, definitely a stressful week. It was kind of all just punching you in the brain. Try your best to get everything.
Lots of being uncomfortable, but learning how to be okay with being uncomfortable.
Yeah, what would you say was the most difficult topic?
Right now we're recording a vlog for Robin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most difficult thing was probably letting something sit till the next day, because like you work so much during the day that you want to keep going, but you gotta like recognize when you need to sleep, need to eat, go do something else real quick before you come back.
Yeah, that's a good point. All right, yeah.
Yeah, so that's week one. Yeah, we're also gonna, yeah, we are. We're also gonna come back on Saturday just to do more studying practice. So yeah, we'll continue that.
Hey, it's Rob. It's Saturday today, and I'm headed to WeWorks now to study more, go over the materials that we learned, and prepare to start a side project. Just for good practice. We're gonna try to pull some API data from YouTube and manipulate it, play around with it, get comfortable with JSON, and work with hashes. Yeah, so that's gonna be good practice. And then the other thing, also gonna do some object-oriented programming. Just that's like the most recent stuff. So want to get really good at it, and it's probably actually it's very likely it'll come back up. So want to keep doing that. Other Oh yeah, and also we'll try to get a little bit into SQL, just so prepared for Monday. Yeah.
My Sunday. So reviewed a little bit of code. Started some of the new topic, the SQL stuff, and also started another boot camp. Yeah, I don't know if it was a good idea or not, but it looked interesting. It's a Udemy course what's it, from the App Brewery based in London. Actually, let me fact check that. Let me fact check that 1 second. Yeah, it's the App Brewery. Okay, so yeah, I started another boot camp with the App Brewery based in London. It's through Udemy. It's an online course, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to do at least 20 minutes of that each day, and really focus it on it as a Sunday project. Well, not project, but like that would be like my Sunday boot camp where I really put in the full time hours and hopefully learn how to develop some iOS apps by the end of it. So that's exciting, and yeah, I'm excited for week 2 to start tomorrow. So we'll catch up in the next video.